Kaspa at the time of this recording continues to see further breakdown moves, and on the daily chart we continue to hold within a Fibonacci key area of support between the 0.08962 and the 0.07239, which is that yellow target area. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the reasons why we need to continue holding within that target area on the short term, and above all, take a look at the weekly chart, remind you that we can easily get to new all-time highs in this bull market, and the key areas that we need to continue holding within. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, from the lows we made back in 2023, we saw that aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a new all-time high above the 0.21 USDT mark, and also completed the formation of this larger wave 1. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, we started a pullback in the formation of this larger wave 2, and in the formation of that second wave, using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that first wave all the way to the highs we made in the formation of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum target area within which that second wave could find a low, and that is between the fib level 0.5 all the way to the 7.8, and that is between the 0.11068 and the 0.05368, which is that red target area. And you can see that in the past few weeks we saw a retracement into this target area, and we have fully maximized the target area, and that means that the low is almost in and a reversal is now imminent to start the formation of this third wave to the upper side that should easily give us a new all-time high. And for us to get to new all-time highs, we also need to see a break above key areas of resistances like the 0.1 and the 0.15872. We also need to see a break above the all-time high, which is a very significant swing high on this chart. But we also need to have in mind that this chart is fully dependent on what BTC continues to do in the next coming days. And that means that in case we continue seeing further pullbacks on the BTC chart, it is most likely that we are going to get one more breakdown move on the Kaspa chart to fully maximize this target area, and a break of this target area to the downside by breaking the 0.05487 will make me extend this target area all the way to the fib level 0.88, which is the last line of defense on the Fibonacci's, and that lies above the 0.03615. So in case we lose the 0.05464, I will pay attention to the 0.03615, where we can find support and then start another reversal to the upper side, starting that impulsive bounce in the formation of that third wave. So that is an alternative scenario that we need to have in mind. Jumping to the daily chart to now focus on the short term. On the daily chart, I have this key area of support that lies between the 0.08962 and the 0.07239, which is that yellow target area. And it seems like we might lose that bullish momentum to continue pushing higher, and maybe at some point break out of this yellow target area to the downside. And if that plays out, I'm first watching for a reset of the lows we made below the 0.0615 in the next coming hours. And the moment that plays out, we can easily get another bounce, because that could just be a grab of liquidity before we get the next bounce to the upper side. Alternatively, in case we don't get any bounce or maybe any reaction over there, then we can expect further breakdown moves in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows we made on the 7th of April in the next coming hours and days. So that is all that I expect here on the Kaspa chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.